Alright, once again, please help me welcome Christine Rain Augusto, Globe Dos Baker Center para sa iyong welcome, Adrian.
Our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Junard L. DOOIC, Sir Junard Avalos, DSWDO staff, Barangay Captain, Honorable Salino W. Abing, Barangay Official and staff, beloved guests, parents, fellow preschoolers, child development workers, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Today is a joint ceremony. I am honored and delighted to be given an opportunity to welcome you all. Welcome, 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 and mabuhay! Thank you.
Alright, so once again, daghan kayong salamat, Christine Augusto, no, para sa imong mainitong pag-welcome.